Hey, this is Jacob with Creative Audio. Today I've got with me the Kicker Bass Station. This is an all-in-one enclosure. It's loaded, so it has the woofer included in it. It's a powered enclosure as well, so we've got the amplifier over here on the side. All this takes is just wire it in, you can run the bass knob, and it's an all-in-one solution ready to go. When you open the box up on this, you're gonna have the enclosure itself, we've got the wiring harness, and we've got a bass knob to control that alone as well. With this wiring harness, super easy to install. There's not many wires here. We've got power, ground, remote turn on, and then your high-level inputs. This is really easy. All you have to do is tap in left and right signal, or if you're running with an aftermarket radio instead of factory, just crimp on some RCA connectors and you're ready to go. It all plugs in one plug, which makes it really easy to pull the enclosure in and out if you need to do that as well. Just unplug the enclosure, pull it out. Now you're safe. You can use that space if you need it as well. We really recommend that this goes inside of a single cab truck. You can fit behind the seat. You can put it underneath of seats too. Sometimes you can even put it in a smaller hatchback size vehicle. This is just a 7.5 amp fuse over here. It's 100 watts, not a whole lot of power, but gonna get the job done in a small environment. So there you have it. This has been a brief overview of the Kicker Bass Station. Please like and subscribe for more videos. We have plenty more products and overviews to come. This has been Out of the Box with Creative Audio.